who will provide us the quorum as well as the online presence of Senator Amy Marcos. Okay. And of course, our friends from various government agencies and our private resource person. For today's public hearing, we will be hearing the Senate bills passed for the creation of a Moringa framework to serve as a guide to the formulation and implementation of plans, programs, and projects for production, marketing, processing, and distribution of Moringa for food and commercial needs. I will now give the floor to the committee secretary, Attorney Philip Lina, to acknowledge a resource person present today at this hearing for the following: SBN 1255, an act urging the comprehensive planning, development, and export promotion of Moringa, locally known as Malunggay, and providing funds thereof. And Senate Bill 2713, the first one is authored by Senator Amy Marcos, and the second one, SBN 2713, an act urging the comprehensive planning, development, and export promotion of the Moringa, locally known as Malunggay, and providing funds therefore, authored by yours truly. Okay, so we ask now Secretary Lina to acknowledge our resource persons.
Good morning, Madam Chair. Good morning, Senator Padilla. I will call your names, friends. Kindly acknowledge to be recognized. We invited the Department of Agriculture. We're still awaiting the representative. Also with the DNR, awaiting the representative. From the Department of Science and Technology, Mr. Joel Norman Panganiban.
Good morning, everyone.
From the Department of Trade and Industry, Mr. Dennis Panga.
Good morning, everyone.
From the Department of Foreign Affairs, Director Maria Luella C. Duarte.
Good morning, everyone.
From the Bureau of Plant Industry, Department of Agriculture, Director Hermenegilda Gabertan.
Ganda umaga po sa ating.
We also invited Ched and Pasok. We're still awaiting the representatives. From the DBM, Department of Budget and Management, Ms. Sharina Cristia R. Alba.
Good morning po sa ating lahat.
Also invited the DBP, Land Bank, Mr. Edgardo C. De Guzman.
Magandang umaga po.
From the Union of Local Authorities of the Philippines, ULAP, Mr. Ren Presil M. Ontalan.
Good morning, everyone.
From the Farmers Growers Organizations LGUs Group, Ms. Maria Rica C. Cabangon.
Morning.
President, Moringaling Philippines.
Morning.
Morning, ma'am. From the Moringaling also Foundation Incorporated, the founding chairperson, Ms. Bernadette Estrella Arellano.
Gandang umaga po.
From the College of Agriculture, Pangasinan State University, Dr. Oliver Kaasi.
Magandang umaga po.
Mr. Rolando Nicole F. Pestisme, the General Manager of the Philippine Moringa and More Corporation.
Good morning.
Dr. Esterlita V. Uy, Director, Institute of Child Health and Human Development, National Institutes of Health, University of the Philippines.
Good morning po to everyone.
Ms. Genara Matsuoka, President, Japan Philippines Malunggay Eco Farm Incorporated.
Magandang umaga po.
From
Saan
the
ang Eco Farm niyo?
Sa Pangasinan po ngayon, Madam Chair.
Okay, Madam Chair, we also have the presence of the BPI and CHED representative who just arrived, and Mr. Guido Bartolo of the Department of Trade and Industry. That's all, Madam
Good morning po.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. This bill which we are presenting seeks to create a comprehensive framework for the planning, development, and promotion of moringa, a plant often referred to as miracle tree for its exceptional nutritional and medicinal properties. Moringa, known locally as malunggay, has been a part of our culinary and cultural heritage. It is a source of sustenance for many of our communities, particularly in rural areas, where it serves as a vital food source. However, the potential of moringa extends far beyond our borders. Its rich nutritional profile, which includes high level of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant, position it as a superfood with significant market potential in the global health and wellness industry. The Moringa Bill aims to capitalize on this potential by establishing a structured approach to the development of the moringa industry. Through coordinated planning, research, and support for local farmers, this bill seeks to enhance the production and quality of moringa products. Furthermore, it will create a robust export promotion strategy, positioning our country as a leading supplier of moringa products in the international market. By fostering sustainable practices and providing the necessary support to our farmers and entrepreneurs, this bill has the potential to create jobs, boost rural income, and contribute to our overall economic growth. It is an opportunity to leverage our natural resources in a way that benefits not only our economy, but also the health and well-being of people around the world. There are studies that moringa will contribute greatly to the health and intelligence of Filipino children, which is the main problem of ours nowadays. And it will help produce children who will be intelligent and who will fulfill the hope of our country. Ang kasabihan nga, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng ating bayan. Kaya hopefully with moringa product, magiging pag-asa nga ng bayan ang ating kabataan. Kaya today's public hearing is a crucial step in the legislative process. It is an opportunity to gather insights, address concerns, and refine the bill to ensure it meets the needs of all stakeholders. We are here to listen to your voices, to understand your perspective, and to work together towards a future where moringa plays a significant role in our agriculture and economic landscape. We now want to hear a statement from our Senator Robin Hood Padilla.
Maraming salamat po sa aming ginagalang at minamahal at sa bilyat. Alam niyo po, ako po talagang naniniwala dito. Katunayan ito po yung isa sa mga matatawag nating matatandang mga masasabi nating gamot, food supplement, lahat na nandito na po. Natatandaan ko pa yung lola ko pagka sinasabi niya kumuha ka ng malunggay doon. Talagang ano po yun talagang kasama sa ating pagiging Pilipino. Tayo po na-impluwensyahan lang siyempre ng mga multinational na mga pharmaceutical companies, kaya ganyan. Pero tayo po ay nagiging sobrang saya natin sapagkat ang atin pong senadora, pinalalakas po niya yung una, yung ating paniniwala. Pangalawa, ito kultura natin. Pangatlo, ito'y atin. Ano? At ito po yung mga dayuhang mga bansa, mga tinatawag natin progresibong bansa. Sila pa yung mga nauuna na nagsasabi na maganda ito. Kaya sana po, ito po ay magtuloy-tuloy at alam ko po naman ang ating mga kasamang senador ay susuporta dito. Sapagkat sabi nga po nila, ito daw po may nagsasabing wonder food, may nagsasabing wonder drug. Pero para sa akin, isa lang ang totoo dito, atin ito. Kaya suportahan po natin. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Senator Robin Hood Padilla, for joining us and sharing your thoughts about moringa. Magsasalita ba si Senator Amy online? So we can now call on her. Okay, so we can go on now. May we recognize Senator Amy Marcos, one of the authors of the bill on moringa, to say her piece. We will call her later. Baka hindi siya available ngayon. Anyway, we'll proceed with the hearing.